Why are SAP-certified freshers increasingly outperforming experienced IT professionals in today's job market? This video explores why specialized skills are now more critical than years of tenure. In the modern IT landscape, time and tenure are no longer the primary indicators of value. Companies are actively seeking professionals who possess relevant skills and can deliver immediate results. This chart illustrates the activation curve, the time it takes for a new hire to deliver business value. Certified freshers with SAP expertise become productive significantly faster than their peers. When comparing candidates, modern employers look beyond general experience. They prioritize specialized SAP skills, S/4HANA knowledge, and a solid understanding of modern business processes. Legacy IT professionals often struggle when they fail to adapt. To stay ahead, continuous learning is essential. Relying solely on past experience can lead to falling behind the curve. SAP serves as the operational engine for critical industries worldwide, from manufacturing and retail to finance. Skilled professionals who can configure and optimize these systems are in high demand. Certification acts as the ultimate validation metric. It confirms your specialized skills, boosts confidence in technical interviews, and is recognized by major employers across the globe. An SAP certification unlocks a variety of premium career paths, including roles as functional, technical, or support consultants. These roles offer strong demand, competitive salaries, and global opportunities. Ready to build your competitive edge? Our 6-step roadmap guides you through learning, practicing on live systems, earning certification, building your resume, and mastering the interview process. Experience is valuable, but relevant skills are what make professionals stand out. Investing in your SAP expertise today is an investment in your future growth. Launch your career with ThinkTree Technologies. From live online training and S/4HANA courses to real-time project experience, we provide the tools you need to succeed.